Hi guys, it's me again. This one's called Animal Taste. Let's find out how different animals taste. Let's see if they use their tongue like we do. People taste with their tongues. Our tongues have little bumps on them. The bumps are called taste buds. Taste buds help us know how foods taste. They tell us if foods taste sour, sweet, bitter, or salty. Rabbits have twice as many taste buds as people do. Grass must taste good to rabbits. Birds do not have many taste buds. Maybe that is why they are not picky about what they eat. Apes eat sweet foods such as bananas. They also eat bitter plants, leaves, tree bark, and flowers. Flies eat sweet foods too. They do not eat foods that taste bitter. Pigs eat foods that taste bitter. They eat bitter grasses and vegetables. Pandas eat bamboo all day long. Bamboo has a bitter taste. Dogs eat mostly meat. Many meats have a salty taste. Cats can taste salty, bitter, and sour flavors. They cannot taste sweet foods very well. A snake does not taste food with its tongue. It tastes with the roof or the top of its mouth. A crocodile does not taste with its tongue either. It also tastes with the roof of its mouth. Many fish taste food with their mouths and fins. Some fish can even taste with their tails. Butterflies taste with their feet. They use their tongues like straws to sip liquid from flowers. Ants feel around with their antennae to find food. They taste with their antennae too. Beetles also taste with their antennae. Most beetles eat plants and flowers. All animals need food and water to live, but food or water that tastes bad may make animals sick. The sense of taste is important for animals. It helps them know which foods to eat to stay healthy. The end. All right, me and Mrs. DeRosie are really missing you and hoping that you are having a good week at home and being helpful and using your manner words and being helpers at home. Anyway, take care. We love you. Talk to you soon.